Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Chocolate Pickney here. Today's video is about me changing my look from this nappy 4C to that for a look. So I'm gonna show you what hair I used and the whole process. So stay with me and you learn how it's done. For this hairstyle, I'll be using a hair mesh, or you may call it hairnet. I'll also be using the T-pins to secure the hair mesh onto the mannequin. I'll be using a pair of scissors, a pack of Kinky Coil, and a crochet needle to install the hair. The hairnet comes as a sheet, so I have to cut away the amount that is needed. This is the first thing I did wrong, because I was supposed to measure it on my head and not on the mannequin's head. Because this mannequin, Monica the mannequin, has a very small head, but my head is huge. So if you're going to do this hairstyle, learn from my mistake. Measure the mesh on your head and then transfer it to the mannequin's head. So that was my first mistake. Learn from my mistake. Now this is the pack of Kinky Coily here. It is juicy, nice. I've used it in another video before when I did the versatile crochet wig. This is the same hair that I had used. So I like this hair. It is long and I'm going for a short look. So I folded the hair in 3 and then I cut it into thirds. I'm going to start my application by using the latch hook and crocheting it right through, and I'll get back to you after I'm done. I am all done with the crochet installation, so I use the scissors and trim away the extra long pieces of hair that are there, giving it some shape so that I'll be able to wear it. What I did, in order to secure the wig to my head, I had to stitch in some clips on the wig. I did 4 clips, 1 at the front, 1 at the back, and 2 to the sides. Now it's time for me to fit the wig, and I was super excited. So I put it on and I was like, what? This is not what I am looking for. It was too short, and that's when I realized that I shouldn't have used the Monica the mannequin to measure the size wig that I'm making. I should have used my own head. I was loving the hair. I love this hair, as I've mentioned before, but all I could see when I looked at this hair was Roger. If anybody remember Roger from Sister, yeah, that's the look I saw when I was looking in the mirror. And no matter how much I fixed the hair, no matter how many times I fixed it, I pulled it, I tugged it, I fluffed it, there's nothing that could be done to this hair to make me feel comfortable. The front was a 5 out of 10, but when I turned around, was a -10. My 4C hair went in hiding, and my 4Q hair came out in all its glory. It says, "Here am I, I'm here to stay." Now mind you, I know that I should have put some gel or some curl pudding or activator in my hair to make it look somewhat like the one that's on the top of my head, but I don't know what I was thinking why I didn't do that. But then again, there's no amount of fixing that I could fix or tug or pull to make the top look cute. Now this is the hair I was going for. I saw it online and I was excited, and I said, oh, I know the right hair to do this hairstyle, so I'm gonna do it. But then this happened. I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go back to the drawing board. I'm gonna get up another pack of hair and do a different size toupee, and then come back and show you guys. Let me know what you think of this hairstyle. No, talk truth. Let me know what you think of it. The top is okay, well, partially okay, as I said, 5 out of 10, but I'm not going anywhere with this look. The back is screaming at me. but this is my most beautiful fail ever. So let me know what you think of it. Okay, thanks for your input, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Bye.